Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Awais Ahmad. Today in this video we are going to communicate to PCs using Cisco Packet Tracer and let's get started. First we take two PCs, this is first one and this is second one. First we change the name PC1 and also PC2. So now we use medium. This is same devices work on IP address and MAC, so that's why we use crossover cable and we use fast Ethernet port, and here we also use fast Ethernet port. Now second step, to assign IP address, go to desktop and IP configurations. We assign it static IP address 192.168.0. This is our network and IP address is 1. So that's it for now. We assign second PC desktop and IP configurations 192.168.0.2. So that's it. Open command prompt here and send ping 168.0.2. It will send four packets as sent and received 0 lost. It means that our communication between two PCs are successfully created. So that's it for today's video, and see you in next video.